Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification channel for more updates. I don't post full videos, I give updates. Thank you. Okay guys, what a great video to start a week with. A well-known artist goes by the name of Shebe Mabena went to perform his music. He went live on the stage with a disabled person. Wow. Mzansi, we need to stop dwelling only on bad things that Shebe is doing and also focus on the great things he do to the community. We need to give him his flowers while he is still alive. We need to recognize him and also give him his compliments. We need to protect him. He is the president of Lokompo. We all know that. Guys, se thabisha re thabela go bona se Shebe a se dirago. Re a leboga Mabena, re a leboga. Here are the comments. The guy in a wheelchair will never forget this moment he lived, and I am happy for him. Dango Mabena. The other one, Maranto Sheba a dirileng mowe ke history. People that boy are ignored and he felt appreciated. Wow. He is so excited, he nearly jumped off the wheelchair. This is a day he will never forget. Thank you, Katlego. Guys, re a leboga. Unfortunately, these are types of things that social media will never be honest about. They only talk about Shebe being violent even when they are the one provoking him. Okay.
Oh shit. Oh, thanks for condition. Oh shit. Sorry.
Connection!
Go. Aye. Okay.